unboxing. I also had to fix my camera because evidently I didn't have it right. And so last video clips that I had weren't focused properly, and therefore a lot of the bath bombs that you guys saw were not properly centered. So hopefully this one will come out better. Alright, so this next unboxing is from Luxury Wellness. And so let's take a look at what Josie has for me today. Oh, I'm so excited. I just saw the invoice, so I know what these are. And so I'm happy. I am doing a Luxury Wellness week. And so these are headed straight for my tub. First thing that I have in here looks like a sample of magical bath fluff, and it smells almost like bubblegum. As usual, shimmery and bright, and she knows I love the bright. This smells really delicious. And this bag says to Ingrid from Josie. So let's see what we have here. I ordered some really cute stuff, so I can't wait to see what I have in here. Alright. I know she's been super busy getting all of her Christmas stuff together. She probably has tons and tons of orders right now because her Christmas stuff was super cute. This first item, oh, this must be a sample. This is another nice smelling one. This is a Love Spell sample. And it should be super gorgeous in the tub. Yeah, this is a sample. Beautiful. And as usual, she puts on a good color show. So I'm happy to see that one because I love my color shows and I love to show you guys the color shows. So, oh yes, yes, yes. Look at this, guys. It's Yukon Cornelius. Oh, what scent did I? Sweater Weather. He smells sexy. Aw, I think I'll bat my eyes at him for a moment. Yukon Cornelius, you're so sexy. Look at him. He's perfection. Girl, I might have a date with him tonight. The next one, what I like about her shop is that I get to choose whatever scent I want on anything. So it's not determined for me what scent I'm going to have on my bath bombs. I just choose what scent I want. And this one, I could have had scented in a Christmas tree scent, but I didn't. I wanted Snow Fairy. And what I got was Snow Fairy. Pretty little tree. I don't have to come out of the tub smelling like pine. Although some bath bombs that are scented in pine are very nice. I have one bath bomb that I received, smells nice, but I've had some bath bombs that literally I will not take a bath in because I don't want to smell like pine sol. But look at this. So pretty. And then the last one, oh yes. Can't wait to see it. This is the Nutcracker Bath Bomb, scented in Santa Baby. Ooh, he smells super nice. Gosh, he has every scent you could imagine, honestly. She must have just broke the bank just to get all these scents together, honestly. And all the molds that she has, forget it. So what do we have as far as prices? This one was $9.50. My boyfriend, who will be with me tonight in the tub because I'm fresh, he was $6. And then the Christmas tree was $6.25. And then I got, of course, the beautiful little sample in Love Spell. And that's all that I have for luxury wellness.